Good evening, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you watched my video yesterday, I took my beads out after I did my hair. Maybe I kept them in for an hour, and I started getting ready for bed. So I didn't keep the beads in. I know I look like a little ant, or something with antennas. I just bantu knotted them up for today's hairstyle, and I also twisted my buns so they would have a little bit of a wave to them. And yet again, it's the evening time, so I'm just going to do this style for you all, and hopefully you can use it one day, and I'll just be on to the next tomorrow. So let's see. Today I'm going to take these ponytail holders out. If you are enjoying this 30-day challenge and you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. If you haven't left a comment below yet about a suggestion that you want me to try, please leave one down below. Or if you have any ideas or things you would like to know, questions, I will answer them in my videos while I'm doing my hair. So this is what I'm going to do today. Where is my, I don't know who was hiding these. I have several of these, and I have one that's made for thick curly hair, and it's about this big. I'll actually show y'all that in another video. But these work really good too. So, it's just a banana clip. And whenever I'm in a rush and I don't have a hairstyle, these save the day. I got several neutral colors that I use. And they they come through. So today, I think I'm going to take these braids out. I didn't even hardly decide. I decided what I was going to do, but now I'm officially deciding what I'm going to do. So I'm taking these out for this next style, and I'm going to show you if your hair, even if your hair is not stretched and you need a style, get you some of these. I'm going to tell you why. I'm going to show you why. They literally save the day, because your hair can be, I guess, depending on, as long as your hair can reach your ponytail, they can save the day. If you had a twist out and you didn't twist your hair up the night before, or if you had a braid out and you went to sleep and didn't twist your hair, then you wake up in the morning and your hair is messed up. And sometimes ponytails, for me, my ponytails can be a little lumpy. It takes, if I want a smooth ponytail, there's a lot that goes into gel and stuff. I don't normally use gel, but if I do want a sleek ponytail, I have to section my hair off, like a part back here, and I put a little bit of water and gel, and then I'll do it from here down. Because if not, you got lumps and stuff and hair that the gel, if you just put gel in the front like that, I'm sure y'all know what I'm talking about. It don't get all the way down. You gotta section it off and then get your ponytail nice and smooth. So that's why I really don't use gel a lot. I kind of just let my hair be like this. So I'm just going to simply brush my hair back. And maybe I'll do that. Maybe one day before I wash my hair. I don't like to put gel in my hair after I first wash it, because it gets all, flaky, or your hair just gets hard and stuff. Or it's just hard to get the gel out when you want to change your hairstyle. But I can show y'all, maybe I think that'll be my last style before I wash my hair. How to get a sleek ponytail with thick hair without having all them lumps and stuff. It's a process. My hair takes time. Y'all know what movie that's from? Who knows that line? My hair takes time, man. Alright, so you take your hair, you brush it back. And it's really quite easy, because it doesn't have to be super slick. Take it and you just act like you're getting ready to put a ponytail in. But instead of using a ponytail holder, because I find when I use a ponytail holder, it just kind of loosens up. And then my ponytail looks all lumpy or puffy, So you take it, let me show, I didn't even show you. Alright, so get your hair back nice and tight. And then you just take this and you put it around your hair. Push it up against your hair real tight. Push it into your hair like the combs. Then I try to make sure my hair is in the combs. Like, I don't like my hair to fall out. So make sure your hair is all the way in the comb. And then you just clip it. Find that clip and push it, mash it down like that, nice and good. I hope y'all can see that, because when I turn around, I can't really see. My twist didn't hold no type of curl at all in the back. And then these are my little Bantu, my little Bantu curls. You can wear it like this. If I was to be going out, I probably would just comb it, brush it out, so it'll just be like a nice little puff. And going about my day. But since we've been talking about protective styles, you can always take your hair and just pin it up under here. I don't have any bobby pins again, but that's all right. You could just take it and just kind of shove it up under there. Put your hair net on. If you watch my previous videos, y'all see how the hair net works wonders. So maybe for the sake of this video, since we're only at 6 minutes, I will just twist this real quick. I'm gonna twist it like so. And I'll twist this one. Twist this one. And then put them together. Alright, so here we go. 2 hairpins. And I'm just going to pin them up. Just simply pin it under here. Nothing really to see here. I may have tried it before, but we are at 8 minutes and 19 seconds. So this was under 10 minute style for stretched hair. So we got rid of the beads and we got a little curly Bantu knotted twist in the front. So we made a record today. All right, I thank you all for tuning in. Please remember to subscribe, rate the video if you liked it. If you didn't like it, I don't know. I hope you did. And also leave a comment, any suggestions or questions that you have, anything you would like to see me do with my hair. Please let me know and I will happily do so. So here we go. 8 minutes, 9 minutes. We are done. Everybody have a good night. Bye.